9 Natural Remedy for Dandruff. Are you someone who suffers from dandruff and wants to cure it naturally? In this video, we are going to show you 9 natural remedies for dandruff and some you can do at home today for quick relief. I completely understand how hard it is to have dandruff. I have been suffering from dandruff to the point that it already has a wound that is always itchy, and when I scratch the part of my scalp where there is dandruff, it will spread to the other parts of my scalp that don't have dandruff. It's very uncomfortable, especially when you are in public places. You tend to stop yourself from scratching it to avoid dandruff flakes on your shirt. This part is very irritating. In this video, I will show you the many natural ways to completely get rid of your dandruff by making some small changes, but these small changes make a big difference to someone who is in constant pain and embarrassment from dandruff. Welcome to Home Remedies and Natural Cures, where Mother Nature provides you with all the natural medicine you need to live a healthy life. Why these remedies are easy and better for your health compared to popping a pill that is full of chemicals. And how you can do many of these at home and they are not expensive. You will want to stay until the end of this video, where I will give you the changes that I did to eliminate my dandruff and never have it again, and a downloadable PDF for you to keep and refer back to each time you will have dandruff problems again. Before we get started, click the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss another natural remedy and home cures video again. Imagine not having dandruff at all, or not having a fear of getting dandruff. It will be a great relief for us. We don't have to worry about the non-stop dandruff flakes, and we don't have to worry about how we can relieve the itchiness of dandruff when we are in public places. I have assigned myself to research the solutions that I can do to cure my dandruff. I choose solutions that are done naturally to make sure that they will not have side effects. Now, here I made a video for you. A compilation of my discoveries of natural solutions for dandruff problems. I hope it will be able to help you too with your dandruff. Some natural remedies are so effective in curing dandruff that you will want to have the natural product handy for the moments it flares up. Also, through this video, we recommend many products that work, and we have done the shopping for you. You will find links to products in the description below. Simply order and have them delivered, and you will see results. 9 Natural Remedy for Dandruff. Learning to care for your dandruff without needing doctors or specialists can be the one thing that finally tips the scales in your favor. When people use a natural remedy, they avoid being allergic to any artificial products they would have put on their bodies. There are so many home remedies that have natural ingredients that have healing components that can greatly help with the itching and rash symptoms of dandruff. They can be foods that you can apply to your scalp and hair, or a change in your diet that can reduce the itchiness and the appearance of dandruff. You can also use herbal extracts to make solutions that will treat dandruff, so maybe you can find relief through the tips compiled below. Natural remedy for dandruff number 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has antibacterial and antifungal properties that may reduce inflammation and decrease dandruff symptoms. Aloe vera also contains enzymes that can soothe your scalp and moisturize your hair. Use directly from the plant leaf or purchase an aloe vera gel. First, you need to get an aloe vera leaf and cut it open. Apply to the scalp, massage well, and leave for 1 hour. Afterward, you should wash and condition your hair as usual. Even without dandruff, this is a wonderful remedy for healthy hair. Natural remedy for dandruff number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is anecdotally and removes dead skin cells. Additionally, it balances the pH of your scalp to reduce dandruff and prevents flaking. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water in a spray bottle. After shampooing, spray the mixture onto your scalp and let it sit for a few minutes. Rinse with cold water and style as usual. Use apple cider vinegar every time you shampoo. Natural remedy for dandruff number 3. Omega-3s. Omega-3 fatty acids are important to skin health and help reduce inflammation. If you have a deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids, it can cause dry skin, dry hair, and dandruff. Take omega-3s as a vitamin, or eat fish and other food rich in omega-3. Foods containing large quantities of omega-3s include salmon, mackerel, and walnuts. You will notice that in just a few weeks, your dandruff will be gone for good and your skin will glow. Natural remedy for dandruff number 4. Baking soda. Baking soda is a quick, convenient, and readily available dandruff remedy. Baking soda has antifungal properties and will help relieve itching and skin irritation. Simply use baking soda by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of it to a cup of lukewarm water. Mix well and apply it to your scalp. Massage gently and leave it on for a minute or 2. You can then shampoo your hair as usual. Natural remedy for dandruff number 5. Mouthwash. Mouthwash's antifungal properties help prevent dandruff causing yeast from growing. To treat a bad case of dandruff, wash your hair with your regular shampoo, then rinse with an alcohol-based mouthwash. Follow with your regular conditioner. Natural remedy for dandruff number 6. Salt. The abrasiveness of ordinary table salt works great for scrubbing out dandruff flakes before you shampoo. Grab a salt shaker and shake some salt onto your dry scalp. Then work it through your hair, giving your scalp a massage. After a few minutes, rinse it with your regular shampoo thoroughly. Natural remedy for dandruff number 7. Garlic. Garlic's antimicrobial properties are perfect for eliminating dandruff-causing bacteria. Crush garlic and rub it into your scalp. To avoid that potent smell, mix crushed garlic with honey and massage it into the scalp before washing as usual. If you like the garlic smell and want day-long fighting power, crush 5 cloves of garlic and mix it with your shampoo or conditioner and use it as usual. You will see results within 2 weeks if you do this twice a week. Natural remedy for dandruff number 8. Vinegar. Vinegar is such a useful cleansing and cleaning product around the home. It is not a surprise, it is also a dandruff treatment. Mix 1 teaspoonful of vinegar with 1 cup of water and use it as a rinse. Do this each day and the dandruff will disappear in no time. Natural remedy for dandruff number 9. Water. Water, concentrated on one area, helps to settle, calm, and remove dandruff. Simply boil a cup of water, then soak 2 large cotton balls in the water and let them cool to room temperature. Then rub the cotton balls over the affected dandruff areas on your head and leave them in place until they dry completely. You can leave them overnight, or longer if you want. Then wash your hair as usual with shampoo and conditioner. And that is our recommended 9 best natural remedies for dandruff that are proven to work. Now I will give you the remedies that I have done to cure my dandruff problems, and I am still using these remedies to this day. First is tip number 1. Aloe vera. This has been a friend of mine since I was a child. My mother would always put aloe vera on my hair 5 minutes before I take a bath. When I was in a stage where adulthood is doing its job, I want my hair to always smell good, so I have experimented with a lot of hair products that resulted in dandruff and hair dryness. Then my mother recommended aloe vera again. I tried aloe vera again, just like I put it on my hair when I was a child. After a week of putting aloe vera on before taking a bath, the dandruff is gone and my hair looks healthy and clean again. Next is tip number 2. I put apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle diluted with water. After shampooing, I spray the apple cider vinegar with water on my hair. I make it as an alternative to conditioner. I leave it in my hair for 3 minutes, then rinse it with water. Some of you would be worried about how it will smell, but it doesn't smell at all after it has been rinsed by water. This helps me with eliminating my dandruff scalp. It took 2 days before seeing the result. Next is tip number 9. I used this remedy when I had those wounds that have dandruff in them. I use water that is boiled to clean my wounds. This helps in calming the wounds and eliminating their itchiness. Surely, you will use these natural tips and find some real relief. Because it is possible to rid yourself of the irritation and the embarrassment. You don't have to live with dandruff any longer. Some of these remedies are amazing in calming and curing dandruff, but you may forget them. That is why I put together and give away a free tip sheet designed to be a handy go-to for you, and you can use them no matter wherever you are, and you will relieve yourself of dandruff in only a few minutes. A $9.99 value, yours free. To get your free copy, click the link in the description below. We hope our 9 natural remedies for dandruff that you can do at home to cure your dandruff help you and help to make you feel better. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and never miss another home remedy and natural cures video again. It will add good karma to your health. Now, watch another home remedy and natural cure video and enjoy a more healthy body and life for you and your family. Thanks for watching.